We'll guide you through how to download car racing games on Windows on your PC or laptop for free. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you didn't know, Windows actually has a built-in app store. So come to the bottom and click on search, and you can then type in Microsoft Store like so and go and open it up. Then what we can do is you can go over to the left and go through gaming, or alternatively you can go to the top, click on search and go and type in racing games like so and go and search for it, and we can then go and start seeing some. If you start to see paid ones though, which you don't want, then what you can do is go to filters in the top right, click on all types and set it to free. And now you've filtered it so you'll only see free racing games. And as you can see, there's quite a lot to go and look at here. Personally, I really like this one here, Asphalt 9 Legends, but just as example, we can look at Asphalt 8. So go and click on it once you found one you want to get. And what you can then do is go and click on get like so, and then it will go and start downloading. It's important to note that you may be asked to go and sign in to a Microsoft account just to go and download the app. If you haven't already got one, you can create one for free and it will then go and start downloading. After it's finished downloading, it will then go and automatically install as well. So here's one that I already have, Asphalt 9 Legends. So after it's finished downloading and installing, you can just go and click on play. Or alternatively, you can just come to the bottom of your computer and then go and type it in. As you can see, here it is. I can click on it and it will launch. And now here we are playing the car racing game Asphalt 9. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.